Y'all, look how big this thing is. It's so soft. Oh my goodness, y'all. I've already had one and it's delicious. Look at this garlic cheese bread, y'all. Wow. It's delicious. Let me show you how to make it. Hey y'all. So I'm going to make Italian cheese bread, and I'm using the same recipe that I used for my other bread that I'm making, that I made the cinnamon rolls with. So I didn't redo the first part of the video, but it's been rising for an hour, so I'm just gonna dump it out. And it looks so good, doesn't it? So it looks stretchy, it's not sticking to my hands. So. All right. This is a better rectangle than yesterday, but it still ain't a rectangle. I'm trying. I will get better at it. Ain't that right? Say, practice makes perfect, Mai. Oh, let me tell y'all, I actually made this dough by hand, like with the little thingy, and then kneading it. I didn't even use the machine. I was trying, y'all know me, I was trying to not have to wash a dish. So I decided to wear myself out instead. I'll probably use the machine next time, maybe, we'll see. We'll see how bad I don't want to have to wash the dish. Okay. Let's see, does that look about right? I think that does look about right. All right, let me go back to this back counter and get my butter and garlic and mozzarella cheese and Italian seasonings, and I'm going to make cheese bread. Now, once I bake this the first time around, I may end up wanting to change some of my stuff around. I may find that it needs a little bit more salt or less garlic. This is just a half a stick of butter melted, and I'm just going to start off with a teaspoon of garlic and just some Italian seasonings. Once I spread it on here, I might decide we need a little more. I just don't know. I was just thinking the cinnamon rolls turned out so good, but I certainly do not need to get in the habit of eating sweets on the regular, that I would try some other stuff. And I know we all love Italian cheese bread around here. Hopefully that's not too much. Oh, can y'all even see? I am so incredibly sorry. I did not. All right. There we go. I've got that. Let me go back here and get the mozzarella. That's an 8-ounce block of mozzarella that I shredded off video. Oh. All right, so I'm gonna try my hardest to do a little bit better with my straight lines. And I should have probably gotten a measuring tape out. This is the fun part, the rolling up. I love this part. It's so pretty, isn't it? Okay, so that's the top and bottom, or vice versa. It's gonna be huge. So far, they're looking like they're the same height. Maybe these will be much more closer than yesterday's. I'll do better. I'll probably actually just start having like a plastic ruler and maybe measuring, because if anybody knows me from like, well, anyway, I like for things to look pretty, clean, precise, and to do it the same way each time. So anyway, and I just like to be good at whatever I do in life. If that makes sense. I don't want to I want to do it to the very best of my ability. I was always like that, and as a nurse I always wanted to do my very best. I'm not saying I was perfect, by no means. Because I'm human just like everyone else, but I always sure tried to do the very best I could. It's gonna be a little smaller because that last one there is not even, because I have not perfected the rectangle art yet. It will taste good though. Ooh, I had Parmesan. I could have added some Parmesan. I just used mozzarella. I just thought about that. I have shredded Parmesan, but I don't have any more mozzarella, so oh well. I'll play with it. Next time I might do something different. There we go. That's the other end piece, and it's kind of skinny like the other one. For the most part, they're all about the same height. I have one short one here. All right, get the pan. All right, I wasn't sure how many I would need. I might not have even needed this big one. I don't know, but I had already greased it, so I'm not wasting that butter and washing a dish unnecessarily, so. All right, I have let them rise. I got distracted and it's been 45 minutes instead of 30. But the oven is preheated to 350 degrees, and I'm fixing to go cook them for 25 to 30, depending on how brown they look and how fast. So I'm excited. I bet they're gonna be delicious. I don't know if I should make them touch each other. Oh, they're so soft. They're so soft. Okay. All right. one's so big. I mean, that one. All right, here we go. All right, guys. So I should have watched them a little bit closer because I cooked them on my top rack because I had just made a pan of cookies and burnt the bottoms of them. So I moved these up to the top shelf so that I wouldn't burn them. And the bottom, let me show you, looks delicious and the top looks good, but that top piece got a little toastier than I thought it should have been, but that's okay. I've already buttered them on top. I just took a stick and ran it across. So I'm gonna pull one out and we'll do a taste test together. If I can get somebody else to do it, I will. All right, y'all, look. That's the side that was up against the thing. That's a little toasty. There's the bottom. It's hot. Hold on, let me turn you down or back you up one, I don't know. Okay. That's where that ooey gooey is. Okay. I didn't take a picture. Oops. Oh well, I could lay it back in the pan and try to take a picture, but it's all right. Okay. It tastes a lot like a crescent roll, just not buttery. I mean, it has butter in it, but ooh. Sorry. Can't close my eyes sometimes. I get dizzy. All right. Y'all, look at that. That tastes like a croissant roll with cheese. There's nothing overpowering. Like, you could probably put on additional butter and that garlic herb mixture. You could probably put more on it. Like, I can taste it, but if you wanted it like, I guess like a cheese bread that has a lot of those herbs and spices, it's not overpowering. So you don't just like really taste it. So you could go a little bit heavier if that's what you like. The bread is so soft. Even that is a little bit browner. I mean, it's not burnt, I promise. Look at that. That's actually really good. That's really good. All right, y'all. It's good. Go make you some. It's fun.